The letter P makes the P sound. P. To make this sound, press your lips together. Stop the air with your lips. Then release the air. It's like a small explosion of air. The P sound is the opposite of the B sound, which is made with the letter B. The B sound is voiced. We turn on our voice. B, B. The P sound is voiceless. We turn off our voice. P, P. Park, police, pickle. Here's a fun tongue twister to help you practice the P sound. Portly, pink, pigs, pig out, on pineapple, pizza. I'm going to say it again, but this time I'm going to say it a little bit faster. Portly, pink, pigs, pig out, on pineapple, pizza. I'm going to say it one more time, but this time I'm going to say it really fast. Portly, pink, pigs, pig out on pineapple, pizza. How about you? Can you say it 3 times fast? Here in the United States, pineapple on pizza is a very polarizing topic. People either love pineapple on pizza or they hate it. I love pineapple on my pizza. How about you? Do you love pineapple on your pizza? Let me know in the comments and I'll respond. Here are some common expressions to help you practice the P sound. Practice makes perfect. If you want to get good at something, you need to practice regularly. If you want to get good at English, you have to practice every day. Don't forget the 3 P's for learning English. Practice, patience, and persistence. Be patient with yourself. Learning English is difficult. It takes a long time. Persistence means you don't give up. You don't quit. You keep going. Pretty please. Sometimes instead of saying please, we say pretty please, pretty please. We say pretty please when we really want something. Will you subscribe to my channel, please? Pretty please. Penny pincher. This is a penny. It's made of copper, and it's only worth 1 cent. It takes 100 pennies to make $1. A penny pincher pinches pennies. Wait a minute. That's another tongue twister. A penny pincher pinches pennies. Say it 3 times fast. A person who pinches pennies, or a penny pincher, doesn't like to spend money. Penny pinchers get nervous when they have to spend money. Penny pinchers like to save money. The U.S. government actually stopped penny production back in November of 2025. It pulled the plug on penny production. It put an end to penny production. So pennies may soon be a thing of the past. They'll slowly be phased out. Wait a minute. Phased. The P doesn't make a P sound. That's right. Sometimes the letter P teams up with the letter H to make the F sound. F. That's the sound that the letter F makes. To make this sound, put your upper teeth on your lower lip and blow. Physics, photograph, elephant. The letter P can also be silent. Shh, it doesn't make a sound. It's silent. But it's not common. It's rare. Receipt, receipt. There's no P sound. The P is silent. Pneumonia. Psychic. Do you believe that psychics have the power to predict the future? I predict that if you watch my videos every day, you'll make plenty of progress. And don't forget the 3 P's: practice, patience, and persistence.